Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about Music Enhancer from Ace Studio. It's definitely one of Ace Studio's best features. So this is how you use it. Basically, you just take any stem or any sample or anything basically. I've got a stem of myself singing quite badly.
I came down to see you. I didn't want to lie, 'cause it's time to see through all the lows and highs. It's a soulful connection. It's a lonely infection.
Okay, so you can tell I'm not the best singer there, but I want to enhance that vocal. I want to enhance that sample. So let's click on New Enhancement here, and you can select the selection or parts of the selection. I'm going to select the whole song, and that just automatically selects the whole thing. Going to click on Continue like that. We've got Tempo Match on. It's going to render the audio. So you can see straight away it's worked out what the lyrics are. You can see that it's a male vocal, and it's come up with its own style. So we're going to select High Consistency with Selection and Enhance. Remember, there was no instrumental at all. So this is literally figuring out the type of instrumental that will suit this song. So let's go ahead. Now this style, if we want, we can change it. I can say call it chill house. Let's do that. We'll call it minimal as well. We can enhance it again. So you can do multiple enhancers. So you've got two happening in the background and the two that we've just created. We can obviously go ahead and change any of these lyrics. So this is a very similar feature to what you would see in Suno called covers, but I do think this is a little bit more intuitive to use. So it's already generated two versions of the song. So let's go and take a listen to the first one.
I came down to see you. I didn't wanna lie, 'cause it's time to see through all the lows and highs. It's a soulful connection. It's a lonely infection. It's a 1 in a million chance. No time to steer. Is this love real? Can we get past this fast? So let this fantasy within you.
Okay, so you guys probably don't know the song, but I created the vocal for that song and I wrote the song, and it is really close to what I came up with. Really reimagined it completely differently. I would never make an acoustic song like that, but it actually sounds great as an acoustic song. And Ace Studio has basically worked out how that lyric would sound. So I really think that's pretty cool. Let's listen to the chill house version of the same song.
I came down to see you. I didn't wanna lie, 'cause it's time to see through all the lows and highs. It's a soulful connection. It's a lonely infection. It's a 1 in a million chance.
That sounds really good. In fact, I like it so much. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it into the workspace like this. And there's a whole bunch of things now that we can do with this. We can export this and we can do, for example, stem splitter. So we can separate the vocal and the instrumentals as we go. So I think that's super cool. The other thing we can do is add a layer. So for example, we can just go in here at the beginning of the song. What I want to do now is add strings. Let's just do, say, orchestral strings, and let's just generate those. So let's just take a listen to how that sounds. We can just change the volume here, get it a bit lower. Let's add a FX here. We can add a bit of reverb. I mean, the an extra addition of those strings has really added another layer of impact to the song. And I just think Ace Studio is just great. So, and I've done a few videos for them already, and you can just tell I'm a fan. So if you're interested in a trial version or thinking about buying it, go into my description because you get 5% off. Doesn't matter what promos they've got going, there's always a 5% discount using the link in my description. I'm a big fan of Ace Studio. I think it's better than Suno.